Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to install a muffler on a 2005 Ford F-150. My truck right here. The old one rotted out and my inspection's due within like 7 days. So I need to go ahead and get that installed so that I can get it inspected. So I'm going to take you through the process here of how to cut it, how to put it on, and I'm going to show you how you guys can get it cheaper by going online, doing an order online, and doing a pickup in store.
First thing you want to do is you want to go to the web and you want to go to advancedautopart.com and put the parts that you need into your cart. Now you'll see here that my total comes to $164.76. I have the stainless steel muffler, the 3 clamps, and the 2 adapters that I need for the job that I'm doing here. And then you want to go back up to the web and you want to go ahead to either search for Advanced Auto Part coupon codes, or what I normally do is go to retailmenot.com and type in Advanced Auto Parts in the search, and then you'll see here that the best coupon code they have today is 25% off. Now you can normally get anywhere between 20 all the way up to 50% off around holidays, and a lot of times they'll get at least 30 to 40%, but the best one they have today is 25% off. So you want to go ahead and copy that code, and guys, you're going to want to just keep trying these codes until one works. I usually start with the best one and go until I find one that works, because sometimes they don't. So once you copy the code, you want to go back to your Advanced Auto Parts and go to your cart. You're going to want to go down here to enter your promo code. So go ahead and paste that there, hit apply, and you'll see that it brings the total down to $123.57. And I saved a total of $38.86, which is 25% off. So now you want to go ahead and pick your parts up. And
then you head up to the store to get your parts. It should be ready by the time I get there. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that bell notification. Alright guys, so it was ready when I got there, and got my parts here, exhaust, and some adapters, and some clamps. So I'm going to head to my brother's now, and use his pit that he got in his floor to try to get it installed. Alright guys, so I made it here and got my truck over to the pit. This makes it so much easier if you have one of these. Pit that you can go down in and work on it. So here's the muffler I got. It's a 21539. It's the stainless steel one, so it lasts a little longer. It shows you on here the inlet. And the only problem is I measured this. This is supposed to be an OEM replacement. I measured from tip to tip, and where I have to cut it underneath mine, it's exactly the same length from here to there where I have to cut it, because my existing muffler is a little bit longer than this. So I bought these extensions. They're 2.5 ID by 2.5 OD. It'll slip in each side of here and make this a little bit longer. So I'm hoping that this slips right on my pipe once I cut it. If it does, everything should go good. If not, I might have to figure something else out. Alright, so this is my current situation. This is why I have to change my muffler. It rotted out in the back here. You usually get all that salt and everything from the back wheel that hits right there and rots it out. So it's rotted out pretty good. So I'm going to cut the pipe here. I'm going to cut the pipe right here, and as close as I can there. And then I'm going to cut it here on this side, right here. And hopefully the new one lines up right in there and should be good to go. Alright, so got one side done. Now I just gotta cut the other side and see if we can get it to fit on. Alright, so you can see I cut it up as close as I could to the muffler there, and this should fit right onto the new exhaust. But as I was saying, the new exhaust is a little bit shorter, so this slips on there. I just tried it. So worst case scenario, I could put this little extension on there and it'll connect right up. Alright guys, so now I'm going to cut this as close as I can to this weld here on the front side. That way it gives me the maximum amount of pipe. Now you could buy this piece separately. This isn't included on the new muffler that I bought. I think you could buy a new one of these for about 13 bucks, but I'm gonna try to cut it and mount it up that way because they didn't have this one in stock. And also, thing here, it'd be a pain in the butt to get this out of here because it's probably all rusted in. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try to mount it up back here first. And worst case scenario, if I have to, I can take that out later on and get the piece of pipe and mount it up that way. All right, there we go. Got the back done, cut. Now I just gotta get the old muffler out of here. Just gotta slip it off of this mount here, and then slip it off the mount here on the back, right here, and try to get the new one up in there. So what you want to do is just lube these up with a little bit of WD-40. It'll help them slide off of here. There it is. Old one's off. Wait for the new one to go. Alright, got the old one slid off the clamps. There's the two pipes I cut. And I'm going to get the new one up in there and see how close it fits. See if I need those extension pieces or not. Alright, so I got both ends on. That end slid right in that side. And I got the extension piece in back here. Everything looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and clamp it up, and I'm probably going to weld some of them. But if you didn't have a welder, you could just use clamps on everything. If you don't have a welder, you can use these clamps here, and you just slide them over the pipe and tighten them up. And you could do that instead of welding, but I just figured I'd weld it since I had. So I got my brother welding it up. Just figured just weld the thing on and just be done with it. Alright, so I have my brother welded up. I'm going to go ahead and throw some paint on here to keep it from rusting. Alright guys, so other than this little battle scar right here, got the exhaust all put on there, welded up, painted up, good to go. So if you guys found this interesting or helpful in any way, please hit the thumbs up, please hit the like button, please click on the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you get notified of any future videos that I post or any future tips or tutorials. Thanks for watching, guys.